recording?
It's recording. Hey Google, open up the garage door.
You know I can't do that, Robert. What? Are you stupid or something? For all the nerdy stuff you do, you think you would have some sense. Stop making that stupid face. Why don't you go make something to open the garage door, nerdy boy?
Hey guys, I made this $6 smart switch into my garage door opener. This is the Sonoff Basic smart switch. It's pretty much what it sounds like. It's a smart switch. Usually you would splice into an extension cord to make something stupid smart. As you can see here, I can turn the Sonoff on or off using the button on the front. I can also turn it on or off using Home Assistant. I can also turn off or on the Sonoff using Google. Okay Google, turn on the office desk lamp.
Okay, Robert, but you have to do that thing I like later.
Garage doors communicate with a momentary press. So when you press that button in your garage, you're closing a circuit for a moment, and that tells your garage door to do something. I can demonstrate this by bridging these two screws with a pair of pliers. Since the Sonoff Basic doesn't act like a momentary switch, we're gonna have to modify it to make it so the power from the wall still goes into the brains of the Sonoff, but doesn't allow the power to pass through. Now that the Sonoff is modified to our liking, we're gonna have to change the software. To do this, you're gonna need one of these USB to serial adapters. They can be found on Amazon pretty cheaply. A link will be in the description. I made this cable to match the pinouts of the Sonoff. Now that the Sonoff is ready to be flashed, I have to create the software. I do this using ESP Home. If you're going to be doing any big brain Internet of Things smart home devices, you're going to be using ESP Home. Now that the configuration is written, we can compile and download the image. I can then use this ESP Easy Flasher software to put the software onto the Sonoff. I can then put the software on the Sonoff. Software on 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 Sonoff. I forgot that you had to hold down this button when you're trying to flash. After I got that settled, the software went on fine. Now that the software's installed, I can solder on some wires that will connect to these magnetic contact sensors. If you don't know how to solder and never soldered before, just remember what Benjamin Franklin said. If you don't know how to solder, learn how to solder, nib. When I move the magnet away from the sensor, you can see that the garage door reports as open, and when it's close to the sensor, it reports as closed. Now I can button everything up and get ready for installation. I zip tied the Sonoff to the mounting bracket that was holding up the garage door opener, and then tested. The button worked. I then mounted the contact sensor and then mounted the wire to the rail using these stickies and zip ties. Okay, Google. Open the garage door.
Can I have your pin?
44325. Nice. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you want to implement the smart garage door opener on your own, there'll be a how-to in the description. If you liked the video, like it and subscribe. If you didn't, dislike it, and get on out.